So night before sleeping, I just changed. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Gangster Girl. Oops. So guys, today is a day in my life. So I'm going to vlog, and I have to tell you guys today is August 15 also. So guys, let's get started with this video. Every day I do coffee first thing first. I'm going out of frame, and then I'll just start my routine. I'm just done with my coffee, and what the hell ring light is doing in the washroom. Morning, I just sit in front of this view. People just ask me a lot of questions like, why do I put this? But let me tell you guys, to our eyes, it is visible how beautiful the mountains are and the clouds and everything. But to the camera, it's not visible. And that's my kitchen. Oh my god, vlogging is so sick again. Oh god. Okay, don't mind me, you will be seeing a lot of stuff then. So guys, right now I'm late at the blood camp, which is organized by Fitness Mantra and me, and I have to go there. I'm a bit late. It's going to be 10. I told my team to be there by 10. I have to be very quick. I'll get ready and catch you guys. I had bath and I already look so fresh and glowing. So my morning routine is very simple and very easy. So guys, I just use 3 products only on my face. The first one is this Yogi Vitamin C Serum, and as it's not at all hot, so I'm not going to apply sunscreen. I know it is wrong, every day we have to apply, but I don't know. My inner consciousness don't agree. I don't at all put it. So this is helpful for glowing skin as well as for the dark circles, and for the pigmentation also. So I just apply this. Okay, cargo. So after applying, I smoothly massage it all over my face. So at the same time, I'm reading off my Instagram DMs also. It all hard to my skin, and you guys can see my skin is very nice. And I'm not complimenting myself, but I minimum apply products. That's the reason it's fine. I'm going to apply this L18 lipstick. So I just have to touch up once if I am going out for whole day, and I'm so lazy I cannot put all that stuff. So this is what I'm going to use it for my eyes also. Be lazy, you get lot of hacks. This Color Essence liner, recently I got this from them and I really love it. I did a shoot, and I'll show you guys the secret. So recently I did a shoot with Rajkumari Di. I am going to post that, and the shoot went dope. She taught me like I have to open my eye and apply. I am literally very scared to do that. Before I used to apply outside. My eyes are super sensitive. They just water every time, so I'm just scared. Oh god, it's hard to apply like this, but still I'm going to do that. What is that? Independence Day wishes. So everyone are replying me. It's already 10:05. Oh god, today I have a lot of tasks. Like every day I don't have the same schedule. I just lay down on the bed, but sometimes it's a hectic day. Today is not at all a hectic day, but there are tasks which I am loving to do. Basically sometimes I don't like to do, but I have to do kind of things are there. My tongue is twisting like anything. It's literally grown so much from the past. Really happy, and I'll tell you guys what I'm using for the hair. This little fellow, I didn't even finish it. It's been like more than a month. This is onion hair oil. I got sample. I ordered the original one, the big one. Soon it will arrive, but this is really good, but it gives lies in the hair. But that's okay, my hair grows good. The front part would be so good, but the back, you guys want to see the back? It's crazy, right, friends? And see, oh my god, only this shot I have shooted is 5 minutes, and this vlog going to be 20 minutes or what? I'm gonna trim everything. Anyway, people ask me like, where do I get my all the Fauji clothes? And they are from Amazon, and this is my favorite, one of the favorite. Like me, my team member, actually he is coming, so I'm waiting for him, so I thought to vlog. So it is so tough to wear mask and put glasses. Actually the vapor is going into the glasses, and everyone are staring at me like anything. Every day I wear these kind of clothes, but today is Independence Day, so This mask is given by my mom. I don't know where she got it. Maybe from some street. But I really thought this is matching, so I took 3 from her. And I became chashmish, by the way. I got long sight. So guys, I'm at the blood camp. There is huge crowd, and it's such a good, satisfying thing we are doing in the Independence Day. I could vlog very minimum at the blood camp because of lot of rush. Blood camp went so successful, guys. Almost we have collected 40 plus units, and lot of people came, and giving blood gives bloody satisfaction, and lot of guys from the gym came down and gave blood. It felt so happy. Today is my mom's birthday, so I thought to surprise her. So guys, I came to buy my mom a sari, and I got my friend also direct from the blood camp. So I'm just searching, and my eyes went on a sari, and I'm going to take that. So I'm going to take 2 of this. It's COVID and the floating is so much. I did big risk. I'm here to give my mom the gift. Here's the flower. So she's just made me wait like all 30 minutes coming. I was back home by 3, guys, and I was really tired. I took a nap, and I'm having the coffee. It's 5. It's 5:05, and I'm planning to go to orphanage and sponsor some things for them, so that it will be useful for them. Instead of cutting cake, this is better. Meet this guy. He sleeps with me every day, and this is gifted by my friend Sajid, and that is so sweet of him that he gave me this. Arey tu rukna bhai. So guys, I'm at orphanage, and I just came. This is the regular orphanage I always come, and today is my mom's birthday though, so I just sponsor some fruits and milk. That's it. So we are gonna do pledge because they didn't sing Jana Gana Mana since morning, so let's do that. The kids are doing a small dance program for us, so for the country. So let's watch them. Let's get entertained. I enjoyed a lot. You guys can see my sweat. Even I danced a lot, and these guys also enjoyed a bit. Koncham enjoy chesar ekkuva. So they enjoyed a lot. Now it's my time to leave. So andarki bye cheppandi. Bye. So guys, it's going to be around 9 o'clock, and I got some mutton mutton keema while I was coming from the orphanage. Look how dull my skin became. I got so tan today. So I bought the mutton keema, and I'm going to cook that. So the food is here, guys. Every day night I will have roti only, and this is the keema I made, and I'm going to finish my dinner very soon. Dinner I will be having my protein because I have lack of hemoglobin, but today when I got checked it was good. So I recommend everyone to use this protein powder. I'll show you guys once I am done with the. This is my protein powder, and I have used 4 bottles, you guys can see. So 1 bottle comes for 1.5 months around for me. So this one I use. This is in the flavor chocolate. It's kids drink, but it have lot of vitamins which is required for women. My night routine is very simple, guys. I use this Mamaearth Vitamin C sleeping mask, and I use this Artist Ray. It helps for the dark circles. It is used for only under eye, enriching eye cream youth extension. It's for the dark circles. So these 2 products I use. So guys, I have to end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you loved it, subscribe, like, and do follow me so that you guys will know more updates about me. So guys, always stay blessed and always stay along with Rose. भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की। चल